Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into a very strange problem that one of our viewers encountered while using Windows virtual desktops. The problem revolves around a peculiar issue where, if a desktop has no Windows maximized, the monitor starts switching off and on in a cycle every 3 seconds. And if any virtual desktop lacks maximized Windows while the user is on a different one with maximized Windows, the same behavior occurs intermittently. Quite the head-scratcher, isn't it? Now, onto the solution our intrepid viewer discovered. It appears that the culprit behind this bizarre behavior was likely a faulty HDMI cable. Yes, you heard that right. By replacing the HDMI cable with a USB-C monitor, the problem seemed to have been resolved. Sometimes, the most unexpected things can cause the biggest headaches. But hey, at least it's a relatively simple fix, right? In summary, the key to resolving this perplexing issue with Windows virtual desktops and monitor shenanigans was a good old HDMI cable swap. Who would have thought, right? Sometimes, technology can really throw us for a loop. Well, that's all for today, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts or any tech woes you've experienced. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!